Good morning, Green Valley Hospital. This is Emily speaking. How may I help you today?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I would like to make an appointment with a doctor.
Of course. I'd be happy to help.
Thank you.
Is this your first visit to Green Valley Hospital?
Yes, it is.
Wonderful. Welcome to our hospital.
Thank you very much.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Ethan Carter.
Could you spell your last name for me?
Sure. Carter.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
You're welcome.
May I have your date of birth?
Yes, it's March 18, 1998.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is your phone number?
It's 555-218-7493.
Let me repeat that.
Okay,
555-218-7493.
yes, that's correct.
Great.
Thank you.
May I also have your home address?
Yes,
Go ahead.
I live at 1458 Oak Street, apartment 12, Springfield.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What brings you to the hospital today?
I've had a fever for 3 days.
I see.
I also have a bad cough.
Anything else?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, I do.
Are you feeling tired?
Very tired.
I'm sorry you're feeling this way.
Thank you.
Have you checked your temperature?
Yes,
What was it?
it was 101 degrees.
That's quite high.
Yes,
Have you taken any medicine?
yes.
What did you take?
I took some fever medicine yesterday.
Did it help?
It helped for a few hours.
Then the fever came back?
Yes.
I understand.
I think I should see a doctor.
I agree.
Thank you.
Do you have any breathing problems?
No.
Any chest pain?
No.
Any allergies?
No.
Are you taking any daily medicines?
No.
Have you visited our hospital before?
No.
No problem.
Okay.
I'll create your patient record today.
Sounds good.
Please give me a moment.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
We have appointments at 10 a.m., 11:30 a.m., and 2 p.m.
Which one is available the soonest?
The 10 a.m. appointment. I'll take that one. Excellent.
Is it with a general doctor?
Yes,
What's the doctor's name?
Dr. James Wilson.
Great.
He's one of our experienced physicians.
That's good to know.
Your appointment will take about 30 minutes.
That's fine.
Please arrive 20 minutes early.
Why should I arrive early?
You'll need to complete your registration.
I understand.
Please bring a photo ID.
I will.
Do you have health insurance?
Yes, I do.
Please bring your insurance card.
Okay.
If you have any previous medical reports, please bring those too.
I have a blood test report from last month.
That will be helpful.
I'll bring it.
Wonderful.
Is parking available?
Yes, we have free parking for patients.
That's great.
Are you driving here?
Yes.
Our parking lot is behind the hospital.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where should I go after I arrive?
Please enter through the main entrance.
Okay.
The reception desk is directly in front of the entrance.
Will someone help me there?
Absolutely.
That's good.
Just tell the receptionist your name.
Okay.
She'll help you check in.
Sounds easy.
It is.
Do I need to fast before my appointment?
No, not for a general checkup.
Good.
If the doctor orders blood tests later, he'll explain everything.
I understand.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes.
Go ahead. How much is the consultation fee? The consultation fee is $40.
Can I pay with my credit card?
Yes, we accept cash, credit cards, and debit cards.
Perfect.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, I think that's everything.
Wonderful. Thank you for your kindness. You're very welcome.
You've been very helpful.
Good morning. Welcome to Green Valley Hospital.
Good morning.
How may I help you today?
I have an appointment with Dr. James Wilson at 10 a.m.
Certainly. May I have your name, please?
My name is Ethan Carter.
Thank you. Let me check your appointment.
Sure.
Yes, Mr. Carter, I found your appointment.
Great.
You arrived early.
Yes, you asked me to arrive 20 minutes early.
Thank you for coming on time.
You're welcome.
Is this your first visit to our hospital?
Yes, it is.
Then I need to register you.
Okay,
May I see your photo ID, please?
of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I also see your insurance card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
No problem.
Please wait a moment while I scan your documents.
Sure.
Carter?
Yes, that's me.
Hi, Mr. Carter.
Hello.
My name is Sophia Miller.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Please come with me.
Sure.
This way, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come into the examination room.
Okay.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
Before the doctor comes in, I'll check your vital signs.
All right.
How are you feeling today?
I still have a fever.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you.
Are you feeling cold?
Yes, a little.
Do you have body aches?
Yes, my whole body hurts.
I understand.
I also have a sore throat.
I'll make a note of that.
Thank you.
Let's check your temperature first.
Okay.
Please keep the thermometer under your tongue.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
Okay.
Please wait a few seconds.
Sure.
All done.
What does it say?
Your temperature is 100.8 degrees.
So, I still have a fever?
Yes, you do.
I thought so.
Now let's check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Please roll up your left sleeve.
Like this?
Perfect. Relax your arm.
Okay.
Don't talk for a moment.
All right.
The cuff will tighten.
That's okay.
Almost done.
Okay.
Your blood pressure looks normal.
That's good to hear.
Now I'll check your heart rate.
Sure.
Please stay still.
Okay.
Your heart rate is a little fast.
Is that because of the fever?
Yes, that's very common.
I see.
Now I'll check your oxygen level.
All right.
Please place your finger in this clip.
Like this?
Yes. Great.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Your oxygen level is normal.
That's a relief.
Now let's measure your height.
Okay.
Please stand against the wall.
Like this?
Yes. Please stand straight.
Okay.
You're 5 feet 11 inches tall.
Thank you.
Now let's check your weight.
Sure.
Please step onto the scale.
Okay.
Please stand still.
All right.
You weigh 170 pounds.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's a healthy weight for your height.
Good to know.
Now I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Go ahead.
When did your fever start?
3 days ago.
Did it start suddenly?
Yes.
Have you been coughing?
Yes.
Is it a dry cough or a wet cough?
It's mostly a dry cough.
Do you have a runny nose?
A little.
Have you been sneezing?
Yes.
Do you have chest pain?
No.
Do you feel short of breath?
No.
Have you been eating normally?
Not really.
Why not?
I don't have much appetite.
Have you been drinking enough water?
Probably not.
Try to drink plenty of water.
I will.
Have you been sleeping well?
No.
What's keeping you awake?
My cough wakes me up.
I understand.
Are you taking any regular medicine?
No.
Have you ever had surgery?
No.
Do you smoke?
Never.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, every morning.
That's fine.
Okay,
Everything is ready now.
great.
I'll update your medical record.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dr. James Wilson will see you in just a few minutes.
Sounds good.
Is there anything you need before the doctor comes in?
Could I have a glass of water?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I will.
The doctor will be with you shortly.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good morning, Ethan. Good morning, Doctor. I'm Dr. James Wilson. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too. I reviewed your medical record. Okay. Sophia told me about your symptoms. Yes. How are you feeling now? I still have a fever. I understand. Let me ask you a few more questions. Sure. When did your symptoms begin? 3 days ago. Did the fever start suddenly? Yes. Have you been coughing every day? Yes. Is your throat still sore? Yes, it hurts when I swallow. Have you had any chills? Yes, especially at night. Have you lost your sense of taste or smell? No. Any stomach pain? No. Any nausea? No. Good. Please open your mouth. Like this? Yes. Say ah. Ah. Very good. Your throat is red. Is it serious? No, I don't think so. Let me listen to your lungs. Okay. Please take a deep breath. Like this? Yes. Breathe in. Okay. Breathe out. Okay. Again, please. All right. Your lungs sound clear. That's good. Let me check your ears. Sure. Everything looks fine. Great. I believe you have a viral infection. What does that mean? It means your body is fighting a virus. Do I need antibiotics? No. Antibiotics don't work against viruses. I understand. I'll prescribe medicine to reduce your fever and relieve your cough. Thank you. Drink plenty of water. I will. Get plenty of rest. Okay. Eat light and healthy meals. I'll do that. Avoid cold drinks for a few days. Okay. I'll write your prescription now. Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Please take this prescription to the pharmacy. I will. If your fever lasts more than 5 days, come back immediately. Okay.